Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most comprehensive reviews of the latest tech. Today, we're diving into what could very well be the best Poco M5s available right now. A phone that truly delivers on performance, camera quality, and design. The Xiaomi Poco M5s is a powerhouse of a smartphone, offering an incredible combination of features, including a massive 256GB of storage paired with 8GB of RAM. If you're someone who loves having plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos, this phone is perfect for you. It's not just about storage though. With a MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core processor, the Poco M5s is built to handle your multitasking needs effortlessly, giving you smooth and lag-free performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. But let's talk about what really sets this phone apart: the camera. The Poco M5s comes equipped with a 64MP quad camera setup, which includes an ultra-wide, macro, and depth sensor, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any scenario. Whether you're snapping wide landscapes or focusing on intricate details, this camera setup makes sure your images look sharp, clear, and vibrant. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the 13 megapixels front camera ensures your selfies look as good as your surroundings. The 6.43-inch AMOLED dot display is another feature that deserves mention. The high resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels ensures you get crystal clear visuals, while the 1100 nits peak brightness means you won't have to worry about not being able to see your screen under bright sunlight. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, or simply browsing your photos on this display is an absolute treat. Plus, with Corning Gorilla Glass for durability, you can trust that this display will last. Security is also top-notch with the Poco M5s. It features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock, making it easy to keep your phone secure while ensuring quick and effortless access. And, of course, this phone supports dual SIM functionality, making it perfect for people who need to manage multiple numbers or travel internationally. One of the things that I really appreciate about the Poco M5s is how it strikes a perfect balance between power and design. The sleek gray finish is not only stylish but also feels premium in hand, giving you the feeling of holding a high-end device without the premium price tag. And let's not forget about the 3.5mm headphone jack with high-res audio certification, perfect for audiophiles who want superior sound quality. When it comes to battery life, the Poco M5s doesn't disappoint. The 5000 mAh battery will comfortably last you through a full day of use, whether you're working, gaming, or binge-watching your favorite shows. Plus, it comes with a fast 51W car charger, so you'll be able to juice up quickly when you're on the go. This is truly a device that doesn't compromise, whether you're looking for an affordable yet powerful phone or a device with a camera system that competes with much pricier models. The Poco M5s is an option worth considering. With its combination of speed, camera quality, display, and battery life, the Poco M5s is definitely one of the best in its class. So, if you're in the market for a phone that does it all, the Poco M5s should be at the top of your list. Be sure to check it out, and let us know in the comments below what you think about this impressive device. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.